In this question, you have to match the items in list 1 with those in list 2. Now, in eukaryotes, RNA polymerase III synthesizes small RNAs like tRNAs, then 5S rRNA, and some snRNAs. Thus, A matches with 4. Now, rho factor is a protein in prokaryotes that terminates transcription by dissociating RNA from RNA polymerase. Thus, B matches with 3. Now, small nuclear ribonucleoproteins, that is snRNPs, remove introns and join the exons in eukaryotic pre-mRNA during splicing. Thus, C matches with 1. Tata box in DNA sequence in the promoter region that helps initiate transcription by guiding RNA polymerase binding. So D matches with 2. Hence the correct answer is option B.